Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mark from Deamon Dezignz. Here we go with industrial strength burgal bars. It's for a company down in Kwamashu. So I got 24 of these to make. So yeah, a lot of fun. Basically, they're going for galvanizing next. As you can see, I drilled the holes in there for the tubing so that it can be nice and strong. And then the gate as well. Bullet hinges on the sides, top and bottom. The locking mechanism will be put on at a later stage, but yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun to do the installation as well. But yeah, another gate, one more gate to do. So we got 2 gates and 22 burgal bars that we got to do next. So yeah, a lot of fun, it's a hell of a lot of fun. The walls are not 100% straight, so yeah, so it's all crooked and because of the plastering, but at the end of the day I have to work with what I've got, with how they built it, and yeah, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice hefty, I mean the gate is super heavy, so it's not going to be very easily broken. The hinges, I'm going to be putting chemical anchor and thread bar, and then weld a nut to the thread bar, so it's going to be extremely difficult to break this. All this is done in between 6 to 3 mil steel. So yeah, the only way that anybody's going to break in is if they have a tow truck or a grinder. So yeah, thanks guys, have a good one, bye.